Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like my content and you want more videos just like this. So today I'm gonna solve this problem called time conversion here in HackerRank. Let's go to the problem. So let's read the problem. Given a time in 12-hour AM/PM format, converted to military 24-hour time. Note, 12 a.m. on a 12-hour clock is 0 on a 24-hour clock. 12 p.m. on a 12-hour clock is 12 on a 24-hour clock. Okay, so here we have two examples. If we have 12 hours and 1 minute p.m. in a 12-hour clock, we will have 12 hours and 1 minute in a 24-hour clock. And if we have 12 and 1 minute a.m., we have 1 minute past midnight in a 24-hour clock. So let's go to the code to solve this problem. First, we receive a S string in the time conversion function. Let's break this string in three parts using the split function. So we do s.split and we break using the column because we receive this format of string, and we'll save the result in three different consts called hours, minutes, and the rest. And this rest will have the seconds and the time format. Okay, now we have the hours, minutes, and the rest, and let's break the rest into another two consts called the seconds and the format. And it will be the rest dot split, and we'll split in a regex that represents two non-digit characters. So these represent two non-digit characters, and if we receive this string and this from 0 to the m is the rest, we will split in a way that these two zeros are the seconds and this am is the format. So let's continue. We know that the minutes and the seconds will never change in this conversion. The only information that will change is the hours. So let's create an function called convert hours that will receive an hour in the number format, and in the format that will be just am or pm. Okay, in this function we will convert the hours based on the hour we receive, that's a number, and the format we receive, that can be am or pm. First, let's treat this edge case, that's the 12. When we receive 12 a.m. on a 12-hour clock, we'll convert it to 0 on a 24-hour clock. And if we receive 12 p.m. on a 12-hour clock, we will convert it to 12 on a 24-hour clock. So let's first treat the edge case here in the function. If the hour is equal to 12, let's return if the format is am, we return 0, and otherwise the format is pm, so we return 12. So that was the first case. Let's think about the other cases. If we have any number from 1 and 11 and it's AM, it will also be 1 to 11 in a 24-hour format. For example, 7 AM will be 7 in a 24-hour format. But if we have PM in numbers that are from 1 to 11, we'll sum 12 to the number in the hours. Okay, so if we have the number 7, here we sum 12, 7 plus 12, we have 19. So let's create the code to these cases. If our format is equal AM, we return a string containing this hour. But let's think about it. If we have a string that's from 1 to 9, we receive here in hours const 0, 1, 0, 2, a string with a 0 in the start. But when we convert it to number, the 0 will not be here, just the 1, 2, 2, 9. So let's add this 0 in the start of the string. But if the hour is 10 or 11, we do not need this 0 right here, so we can slice in -2 index. So we return just the 2 last characters here in the string. And the last case is when the format is PM. We don't need another if, because we have returns here and here. So we just need to return a string with the hour plus 12, because that's the PM case. So here in this time conversion function, we'll say the converted hour, and this converted hour will be convert hours, passing the hours and the format. But these hours needs to be a number, so I can say number and pass hours, and this format needs to be AM or PM. So here we can say the format is a string. Okay, so now we have the converted hour, and we can return a string containing both the column separated hours, so it will be converted hour, minutes, and seconds. Okay, now we can test the code. Let's run the code. It's running, processing, and it passed the sample test cases. So let's submit this code. And it passed all test cases. So that was my solution to HackerRank time conversion problem. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to receive more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you later.